Notes 3F. Graphing systems of linear equations. Objective. I can graph linear equations and determine if there is a solution to the system. Essential question. How can I find the solution to a system of equations graphically? When is there not a solution? Vocabulary. Linearly independent. A system that has one unique solution. They have one intersection. Consistent. A system that contains at least one solution. Linearly dependent. A system that has all or no solution. Infinite solutions. A system that has the same equation repeated, all real numbers. No solution. An inconsistent system of parallel lines. Intersection, where two or more things meet. LinSolve to find solutions. To get LinSolve, you go to Calculate, Menu 3-2. So we go to Calculate, Menu, 3 Algebra, 2 Solve System of Linear Equations. There's 2 equations, so you can go ahead and press Enter. Type the first equation into the top box. Go down, type the second equation into the second box, exactly how you see it. Before you click Enter, check to make sure that everything's exactly how you see it on the paper. Then press Enter. Your solution is 2, 1, where x equals 2 and y equals 1. Now sometimes LinSolve will give you something kind of weird. When does it fail? When there are infinite solutions, the calculator tends to only output 0. It may also give you variables in your answer. Therefore, if you get 0, 0 or variables, you will want to graph it to verify the number of solutions. This is what I mean. Let's go ahead and graph this using Let's go ahead and put this in the calculator using LinSolve. So we put in the calculator, press Enter. You get variables in your solution. We're not interested in these variables at this time. So we're going to go ahead and graph this to verify the number of solutions. To graph a system, you go to Graph. Let's clear all this out. Control Menu, delete all. And let's type in our 2 relations. You press Menu, 3, Graph Entry Edit, 2, Relation. We'll go ahead and type the first equation right here. 3x minus 1y equals 9. Press down and type in the second one. 6x minus 2y equals 18. As you can see, the red line went on top of the blue line. That's the same exact line. That means that it has infinite solutions. Infinite solutions is all real numbers. It's both consistent and dependent. What's the intersection? For this first graph, there's only one intersection right here at 2, 2. That's your solution to the system. This one we have 2 parallel lines, so there's no solution to this system. And then the last one, we just have one line here, so that's infinite solutions. and that is dependent and consistent. So this is another method you can use in the calculator. Graph your two equations, see where the lines meet. When does it fail? Where there are more than two variables, you'll want to use LinSolve instead, or solve by hand using substitution or elimination. For example, solve the following system: x plus y plus 2z equals 6, and 3x minus y plus z equals 7, and z equals 3. We'll go ahead and put this in the calculator. So press menu 3, 2. There are 3 equations here, so we're going to put 3. Press OK. Type in the first equation in the first box, second equation in the second box, the third equation in the third box. Once you're finished with that, you double check everything's correct, you press enter. Here's your solution: 1, negative 1, 3. So z equals 3, x equals 1, and y equals negative 1.